all the limousines as they go crawling by. I'm standing at the entrance where the neon turns to gold, ready for a story that has never quite been told. I see the Rolling Stones are sitting in the corner light, taking all the rhythm through the middle of the night. It's a synchronized machine, it's a shifting high feel. The energy is ancient, but the impact's not unreal. The drifter's on the floor now, he's losing all control. The city's got a hammer and it's hitting in my soul. The bass is like a heartbeat running deep inside the wood, doing all the things that a traveler never should. I'm watching how they move, I'm watching how the spirit flies, seeing every secret in the glitter and the lines. It's a rock and roll salvation with the 4 to the floor beat. The loudest, cleanest power in the middle of the street. And the club is shaking with the weight of every beat. NYC is howling through the rhythm of the street, with the massive kick that's thumping like a heartbeat in the floor. The drifter's in the disco and he's wanting something more. Yeah, 78 is pulsing and the rhythm is a king. Listen to the power that the city's got to bring. And the club is shaking with the weight of every beat. NYC is howling through the rhythm of the street, with a massive kick that's thumping like a heartbeat in the floor. The drifter's in the disco and he's wanting something more.